Okay, show of hands. Who still believes that the sun goes around the earth? Nobody. Oh, but everybody used to. It sure looks like it does. The sun comes up in the east, the sun goes down in the west.
I do. So flat earth is in two subjects, the shape of the earth and the position of the earth in the heavens. So on flat earth, the earth isn't a planet. It's not a light in the sky. It's not a water ball. It's not a sphere. It's a plane of water, air, and land. And then there's lights in the sky. It's an expanse. The horizon proves that with an expanse of gases. The water proves that with an expanse of liquid. And then the land proves that it comes out of this water and it makes up this thing called life. And then the lights in the sky beam down on us, and it's just the things that they appear in our senses. So our eyes look at the water and say it's sea level. Our eyes look at the horizon and say it's horizontal horizon, gases that go into an expanse. And the sun is a local spotlight sun that rotates around us. And historically, this was always called geocentrism. The earth is the center of the universe. So we have a planetary alignment going on, but this is the heart and the soul of the matter. But for me, this is the one I just can't get my mind around. I am a flat earther through and through because of this issue. Now, this is a geocentric issue, but for me, it's everything. I can't comprehend the motion of this earth. And heliocentrism, the whole thing is based on this earth moving. And if this earth isn't moving, their whole solar system doesn't work. So there's no proof of motion. The general theory of relativity is the explanation, which just says assume. But on top of that, as you go out and look at these planetary alignments coming up the next couple days and the next couple weeks, I want you to ask yourself if the earth is moving. Because if the earth isn't moving, what's lighting up those planets? They say the sun's lighting up those planets.
Conic rings will reveal themselves, and Venus will dazzle, reflecting sunlight with unmatched brilliance.
But that sure doesn't seem right. I mean, I know this is a third grade explanation, but the sun ain't here, and I don't see the sun shining its light on that light. When we see the sun, it's a lot closer, and it's rotating around us, and it's on the other side of the world. And that is up on the ceiling beyond it. And no, it does appear to have its own light source. Mars is red, Venus is white, Saturn's like yellow, one of them's orange, and yeah, Neptune's like purple. Now the sun worshipers say they're aligned with the sun, and they put the sun as the center. This to me is the issue. It's just super simple. The earth isn't moving, the sun isn't here, there's lights in the sky, and they're not getting their light from that sun. So this isn't a planet. Those are lights in the sky, and they beam their light and they beam their energy on this earth, and then we have life. That's it. I don't know why you need to build more. You got to go to the God stuff. They'll turn the planets into gods. That's what the Greeks did. Even the Catholics, they turn them into fallen angels and stuff like that. Everybody wants to get so emotional. I get it. There's energy. Oh my goodness, is there energy in the night sky? Sure. But flat earth grounds it out. Flat earth chills it. Flat earth says if you can't see it, you can't say it. If you can't feel it, it ain't moving. You have to trust your senses in flat earth. It's not you that gets to dictate how things work. It's the natural explanation of what your senses sense. It's just true to the word. And that should be okay, unless you're trying to build a world. But once you realize that the world's here, and once you realize that these lights beam on you, yeah, it's special. Yeah, it's magical, but it's magical in a different way. But it's something I can't really teach you. I'm not that guy. There's people that are better at it than me. All I do is fight for it. All I do is champion it. And all I do is promise you. If you go and look at this sky and you ask yourself, is this earth moving? I don't believe you'll believe that you live on a planet anymore. I believe you'll believe you live on flat Earth.